Do you sometimes feel like you are emailing the same thing over and over again? Maybe it's the answer to a frequently asked question, or perhaps it's a series of links with useful information on your website. Either way, this information is short enough that it really doesn't warrant an email template. Enter the HubSpot Snippet tool, and this video shows you how to create snippets and how to use them. So check it out. First things first, make sure that you are logged into your HubSpot portal. Then in the main navigation, come over to Conversations and select Snippets. We haven't created any snippets, so we come over to Create Snippet. The first thing you need to do is give your snippet an internal name. This name will only be seen by you and your team. So we are going to call this the HubSpot Training Guide CRM Training. Next, come down to the snippet text, and you can copy and paste your snippet text in there or simply compose it right there. We have included some links that is available. You can also personalize this with personalization tokens. You can also adjust the text, format it any way that you would like. And finally, come down and name your shortcut. So in this case, we are going to call this hashtag HSTG-CRM-training-guide. Whenever you use the hashtag, you don't have to remember exactly the words that are there, since your available snippets will pop up. And we'll show you that in just a minute. When you're satisfied with your snippet, you simply save it. And here it will be listed with all of your other snippets. Now let's take a look at how you use a snippet within your HubSpot portal. We are going to send an email to Dwight Schrute by clicking his name and going to his contact record. Next, we will click the email tool and our dialog box pops up. We will send Dwight an email about HubSpot training. And if we just put in the hashtag and the first few letters, if you'll notice the snippet that we created now pops up. We click on it and it populates right here. This feature is also available in your connected inbox, and we'll take a look at that now. If you have your Outlook email inbox connected with your HubSpot portal, simply go to the Sales tool, click on it, and then if you come to Snippets and begin searching for your snippet, it will appear right here. Once you click on it, it will populate the information that you are looking for. When composing an email from your Gmail inbox, simply place your cursor where you would like the information to go and come over to More. You will then select Snippets. You can then search for your snippet, and there it is there.